Dancehall entertainer Beenie Man pulls out his receipt to show that he has never tested positive for the COVID-19 while on tour in Ghana. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So Beenie Man continued to be a trending story on social media as news of his arrest in Ghana continued to circulate on social media. King of the dancehall Beenie Man has sought to clear his name once and for all. So Ghanaian media reported on Monday that the DJ was detained for flaunting COVID-19 quarantine protocols after testing positive for the virus upon his arrival at the Kotoka International Airport on December 19. According to a media outlet in that country, Beenie Man was sent into mandatory quarantine at the AH Hotel in East Legon by health officials, but the artist left the premises to perform at various events on December 21st. However, in a post on the official Instagram account of the dancehall entertainer on Tuesday, the entertainer pulled out his receipt as he showed that the tests were taken before he visited the African country, proved that he was COVID-free. The dancehall entertainer showed off several photos of documents bearing his name, which stated that he tested negative for COVID-19. The photos were accompanied by a caption that said that while the news was funny to him at first, it blossomed into more serious matter, which requires his attention. Along with the series of photographs of the negative COVID test result, there was a statement from the entertainer highlighting the seriousness of the deadly coronavirus. Beenie Man then shared that as a carrier of sickle cell disease, I understand the importance of protocols set out to help stop the spread of the virus. The post further went on to state that he knows the importance of protecting himself, his family, the team, and also the people who interact with him, the statement continued. The document also detailed the vigorous testing schedule the entertainer underwent prior to his arrival in Ghana. He revealed that in addition to a test that was done at the Heathrow International Airport in London, he had to do another test within 24 hours after arriving in Ghana. He said that another test was done 3 days later, all of which bore the same negative result. The entertainer ended the statement by pointing out that COVID is still a present force globally and shared that he will continue to follow the necessary protocol to stop the spread of the coronavirus and encourage others to do the same. So, with a post on the official Instagram account of the dancehall entertainer, this was what it said. The entertainment industry has hit the hardest since the coronavirus pandemic. I've seen how it has affected people's life, mental health. People close to me have died and suffered. As a carrier of sickle cell disease, I understand the importance of following the protocol set out to help stop the spread of the virus. I know the importance of protecting myself, my family, my team, and the people I interact with. Before entering Ghana, I did a COVID-19 test at the Heathrow International Airport in London. The test results were negative. Less than 24 hours after arriving in Ghana, I did another test which was negative. 3 days later, I did a PRC test to clear me for travel, which also came back negative. I crossed two international borders where I tested, and all were negative. The statement further went on to state that he was welcome in Ghana and that he performed at the biggest corporate event with government officials. He also stated that he was on live TV and also stayed in one of the most important and prominent hotels in the city. If the Guardian National Security wanted to arrest me, the army would have picked me up. The entertainer further went on to state that the spread of this false news by the media is to cause confusion. COVID-19 is still here. I will continue to follow the necessary protocol to stop the spread of the coronavirus, and so should you, the dancehall entertainer post on his social media platform. So this was what Beenie Man had to say in relation to the whole entire matter, and Beenie Man sought to clear the air and also his name in relation to the misinformation that has been circulating on social media. But it's very sad to see that people want to publish such information against a dancehall entertainer as this make local and international national headline in Ghanaian papers, and also the local media outlets as well had published information in relation to this. But it's very good to see that the dancehall entertainer sought to clear his name, and I hope that this will now go to rest as the dancehall entertainer continue to embark on his tour and also to spread the music of reggae and dancehall across the world. This is where we're going to leave this situation now, though. For now, thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.